Thomas and Friends Engine Activities. Pop goes Thomas.
The sound that makes me smile and giggle when I puff on tracks that jiggle.
Rattle, rattle, shake, shake, wobbled the lemonade. Pop, 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 ping the corks, right into a field of pigs.
Good luck for the match! 2, 4, 6, 8. We're the team who won't be late. Sodor United!
Bash, Dash and Ferdinand giggled and jiggled.
Hello, Thomas.
We're happy.
To see you. That's right.
Party smarty. I don't go to parties. I'm stuck here loading and unloading all day. I haven't had a moment to rest my hook.
Thomas hardly dared puff. With a creak and a crank, and a crank and a creak, and very, very slowly, Cranky raised Thomas high into the air. First, they took off James's old coat of red paint. Then they applied a special pink paint. The pink paint was to go under the new red coat. It was to keep the water out.
Who's making that noise?
Bubbling boy.
No more. What a mess. No more loaf. No. What a mess.
Bubbling boy.
What a
Mail trucks.
buffers and
My shiny red coat.
Bubbling boiler.
Fizzling,
Bubbling.
fizzling firebox.
Mail trucks. My shiny red coat.
buffers.
Fizzling, fizzling, fizzling.
My
Buffers and
my shiny red.
buff.
Well done.
Cinders and ashes. Buffers and bumpers.
Fizzling firebox.
Cinders and ashes. Cinder.
Who's making
Buffers and
fizzling fireboxes?
buffers and buff.
Who's making that noise?
Mission accomplished.
Fizzling firebox. Who's making that Who's making that noise?
Mission accomplished.
Fizzling fireboxes.
Well done.